Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to withdraw Bitcoin from Mexc exchange. Before we get into it, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more crypto related videos. First thing you need to do is to open your Mexc application. Once you have logged into your Mexc account, after that you just need to tap on this wallet button at the bottom right corner. After that, here you will find a withdraw button. Simply tap on this withdraw. Now in the search bar you just have to search for BTC, and after searching BTC, here you will find BTC Bitcoin at the top. So simply click on this coin. Now here you will need to select a withdrawal method. So I will selecting here on-chain withdrawal. After selecting on-chain withdrawal, here you will need to enter your withdrawal address. After that, you just need to select a withdrawal network and now enter the quantity of BTC you want to withdraw from your Mexc exchange. Now you just have to choose an exchange or wallet from where you need to deposit these Bitcoin in that particular exchange or wallet. So I will simply demonstrate on Binance exchange. So minimize this and open your Binance. Once you have logged into your Binance account, you just have to tap on the assets button at the bottom right corner. After that, here you will find add funds. Simply tap on add funds and you just need to tap on chain deposit. After that, in the search bar, search for BTC and simply select the Bitcoin. Now you just need to select a network. So simply select Bitcoin, which is its own network, and always make sure to select same network on both sides or you will lose your fund. Now simply tap on OK, and here you will find your Bitcoin depositing address. Simply copy this address and now you have to reopen your Mexc exchange withdrawal window. Now simply paste their withdrawal address. After that, you just need to select a network. So select here BTC. After that, enter the withdrawal amount of BTC you want to withdraw from your Mexc exchange. After entering the amount, you just have to tap on the confirm button. After tapping on the confirm, it will take up to 10 to 20 minutes to transfer your Bitcoin from Mexc exchange to Binance. And that's it. Now you know how to withdraw Bitcoin from Mexc exchange. If this video helped you out, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more crypto related videos.